Having Gavin Newsom as a guest on Hector Bravo's podcast to discuss the current issues plaguing the California Department of Corrections could be an insightful and informative conversation that sheds light on important matters. It could provide a platform for discussing reforms, challenges, and potential solutions in the criminal justice system. It's important to note that not all administrators in the California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation are corrupt or unethical. However, like in any organization, there may be instances of corruption and unethical behavior. Factors contributing to this could include lack of oversight, power dynamics, institutional culture, and individual motivations. Addressing these issues often involves transparency, accountability measures, training, and ethical leadership at all levels. Whether a warden should be held liable and accountable for a murder that transpires at their institution due to gross negligence, incompetence, and policy violations can depend on various factors, including the specific circumstances of the case, the existing laws and regulations, the level of the warden's involvement or knowledge, and the extent to which their actions or inactions contributed to the incident. Legal proceedings and investigations would be necessary to determine the appropriate level of accountability. In the United States, whistleblowers are provided with certain protections under laws such as the Whistleblower Protection Act, Sarbanes-Oxley Act, and Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act. These laws aim to protect whistleblowers from retaliation and harassment in the workplace for reporting misconduct or illegal activities. However, the extent of protection can vary depending on the specific circumstances, the laws applicable, and the actions taken by the employer. It is advisable for whistleblowers to seek legal advice and understand their rights before coming forward with information. If you are aware of illegal activity being conducted by governor-appointed officials in the California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation, you can report the misconduct to the appropriate authorities. You can consider reaching out to the California Office of the Inspector General, the California Attorney General's office, the California State Auditor's Whistleblower Hotline, or other relevant oversight agencies. It's essential to follow the proper procedures and seek legal advice if needed to ensure your report is handled effectively and your rights as a whistleblower are protected.